So, good morning, present here. Myself, Govind Islam. So, second professor, Department of Mathematics, Sciences of College of Engineering. So, I am going to discuss about the basic concepts of say the order difference equations and Gaussian difference equations. So, first of all, what is the equations means? That's equation is nothing but equal. That's express is equal to that means for x plus y is equal to some that's equal to. There are two types of equations that is called one is order differential equation that is called ODE and Gaussian differential equations. So what is the difference between order differential equations and Gaussian differential equations means? So order differential equation and equations depends on only one independent variable that is called order differential equations. For example, so dv dx is nothing but y depends on only one independent variable that is called the order differential equations. So Gaussian differential equations means so the equations depends on more than one independent variable that is called Gaussian differential equations. For example, rho square by rho x square plus rho square by rho y square is equal. So this was also known as Laplace equations. So here u is a function from x and that's meaning of u of x function from x and y here. So u is a function depends on x and y that is called Gaussian differential equations. So only one that function variable only one independent variable that is called order differential equations. So one u is a function depends on only one independent variable that is called x and y that is called Gaussian differential equations. So here the equations in your problem. So Gaussian differential equations. So here many types of solution we have to find out that particularly only one solution. So linear homogeneous equations of that I have to find in Gaussian differential equations. So here suppose for example that is called only complementary function and particular second order differential equations. Complementary function and particular that is called second order linear differential equations. Although one is how to solve the second order linear differential equations. One is one formula how to find the complementary function after that particular integral. So complementary how to find the complementary functions. So first the examples. So here we have t squared y by dx squared plus d squared so dy by dx plus 4y is equal to. Okay, so here so d squared by dx squared plus dy by dx plus 4y is equal to. So how to find that function? How to find the solution? So given this is solved. So d squared by dx squared plus dy by dx plus 4y is equal to 0. How to find the solution of that equations? So now before we have to find the equations, what's the differential operator? So we have defined that d by dx equal d by dx means so difference operator is so y is a function difference of only one is here. The dx is considered as t here. The difference operator d, but d squared by dx squared means the difference operator is here. So suppose on like that. We have to change the differential operator. We have to find the complementary functions. So first of all, d squared that means here apply d squared y plus 3y plus 4y is equal to 0. So what's the complement? So y is the complement depending on the value of d squared plus t plus 4 into y is equal to 0. Now to find after the difference operator, we have to solve the complementary function. How to find the complementary function? The complementary function, now solving, there are three types of rules of integral. So we have to find the solution of the complementary functions means. So we have to find the complementary functions. So here the rules are, there are three types of the rules of equal means the complementary functions here that is equal to to the power of m minus c to the power of x. So plus 4 on it. Just a called same series of orbital masses. So the rules are equal means the complementary function here. The rules are the same means the complementary functions here. So after that the rules are complex number. The rules are complex means here the rules are complex. So the rules are complex means, so that means the form of here. So a plus or minus I. So a is a real part, b is a imaginary part. That means here imaginary part of here. So complementary function y is equal to e to the power of alpha x plus c1 cos, so e to the power of x c1 cos x plus c2 sin dx. So here maybe the value is give less or minus. So a suppose for example 2 plus bi or 2 minus a. Again what are the values is the complementary functions are given. A means the real part coefficient value, that means real part value. B is here imaginary part value. This is a substitute. So there are three types of rules are there. This is only to find the complementary function. Let's take out for examples. So on examples are there. Suppose I consider solve x square by x square plus 5 divided by x plus 6y square. So why particularly I have chosen that function solve the complementary function? Generally we have solved any point of any question sentence and say what are the values. So in solve generally we have solved how to identify as equation, how to find the complementary functions. Then any different circuit or difference equation, that equation equal to 0. We have to first thing have mentioned that we have understood that equal to 0 means to find the complementary function. First of all we know how to find that change the difference operator. So that means what? So d square t equal to dx means difference operator t, d square by dx square is difference operator t square. Okay, so substitute here, that means t square y plus t 5 dy plus 6y is equal to 0. So common consider common is square here. So t square plus 5d plus 6 into y, that is equal to 0. So after you find solve the root of that equation. How to find the root of that equation? Before going to the find the so auxiliary equation, we can change the difference operator. The auxiliary equation that is called m here. That means auxiliary equation convert here. That is what d square means m square plus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so you have to find the auxiliary equation. You have to find the auxiliary. So after the root of that equation, to take the complementary functions. How to find the root of that or solve the root of the equation? So this is called as also name of the equation. This equation known as quadratic, second order quadratic equation. How to find how many roots are there given? With this, what's the order given here? Highest order, the order should be there too. So those the root should be there are two values. Now how to find it means the equation higher. That's the form of a x square plus ax plus c is equal to 0. That's the form of quadratic equation. How to solve the root of the equation is the way is what are the highest order way is b that multiply weight constant. Okay, so here coefficient should be 1 and multiply with 1 and 6 here. So multiply product is 6 and between what are the value the coefficients are after this one. What are the best value? So adding this way. What are the two numbers? Is also two numbers come to multiply 6. Adding that very good number that multiply 6. Again same other add what are the two numbers? 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is multiply 6 add plus 3. So root of equations x square. So 5x written here plus 2m plus 5m plus 6 equal to 2. So first we have to consider source of common term. So common term is common. So m plus 2 here plus what's the common term? Only no. So what's the common term here? So 3 is common. So 3 into m plus 1 is equal to 0. So what is here? What's the common term we have taken? exponential function, and another one is trigonometric function, and third one is algebraic expressions. So algebraic expressions. There are three types of functions to be equal to the set of is equal to x. So exponential means e to the power of ax something order of values. Trigonometric means it is a function of sin ax or cos ax. These are two functions to be given three functions to copy. Algebraic expression means x square which is square x to the power x plus 1 plus a linear. So this is the form of equivalent here. How to solve a particular integral? So this is just most common solution. How to find the complement function particular integral? The solution exists as complex solutions. Why the solution is complex solution means how to both find complement functions and particular integral. So suppose we have type 1. As a type 1 means not the exponential is f of t is equal to, so f of type 1 f of t is equal to e to the power of ax. That means the function should be exponential function. How to find the particular integral? So particular integral Px is equal to, particular considers Px is equal to 1 divided by f of t. F of t is the differential operator in e to the power of ax. So how to solve it means here in terms of unit the weight is exponential function. Weight is equal to a. What are the values here? Replacing d by a. Okay, so what are the values of coefficients of the here? We have replaced by d by a here. That's why we have to find the value. Suppose the denominator should be, suppose a consider something like Px is equal to 1 by f of t should be 0 means how to find this? So means f of t should be 0. When f of t should be 0 means the denominator is 1 by 0 means the positive infinity. So we have to find, if we cannot find the solutions, how to find after that how to find the procedure. So how to find the procedure means we have to particular integral dx is equal to, we have to find the numerators and multiply dx here. So we have to multiply the numerator using the, now differentiate with the denominator. That means a plus of the, now to differentiate the denominator, the difference of operator dt and multiply x the numerator. That is what we have f of t should not equal to 0. We have to consider as a expression. Against x of t is something, so t is basically against something that denominator should be equal to 0, positive infinity. So you have to multiply t. So after that difference is a. So procedure for particular integral we have solved it at 1 here. So for example, we have solved one problem. So based on that type 1. So type 1, so it's what examples. So type 1 is exponential function. Okay. So first we have that's the same problem only. Suppose we have t square plus 4a plus 4 is equal to into y square. So d square plus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to 0. So how to solve it? That is equal to e to the power of 2x. Okay. So e to the power of 2, that is called type 1. That is equal to e to the power exponential means that is called type 1. How to find it here? That means so that is what to find first complement function after particular integral. So we have complete solution. Complete solution means how to find complete solution. To find complete solution means y is equal to cf plus d. We have to find out. So first of all, how to find the cf? How to find the cf? First step 1. So to find the cf means, so this is cf. So cf how to find out here? The given equation d square plus 4d plus 4 into 5 that is equal to. So after that we have to use the axial equations. That is called, that is d by y plus is called particular integral. So PA is equal to, so PA is equal to e to the power of a square by 16. Okay, so let's find out as a topic solution. Therefore, y is equal to CF plus C. What's the CF value? E to the power minus 2x into C1 plus C2x plus 1 by 16 into e to the power of x. That is for the complete solution of the here to find the complementary function and particular. So next another one problem. So based on the particular integral denominator we need to know to find the particular integral. Okay. So next problem, second problem example. So solve t square minus 16 plus 16 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 into y is equal to e to the power of so t square plus 4 again same over here. So 4 into y is equal to e to the power of minus 2x. Minus 2x is minus 2x. Same over here. So we can replace x square is a minus 2x. So same similar to find the particular integral to find complementary function. So complementary function is like plus 4 into y is equal to 2. Okay. So let's add the equation. So as the equation is nothing but so m square plus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. So to find the roots of equations multiply to add to add. So m plus 2 into m plus 2 equal to 0. So what's the roots here? So m is equal to 1 plus 2 and m is equal to 1. So here m1, m2 or x or minus 2. Okay, but the roots of equal means complementary function c is equal to c1 into the power of minus 2x, c1 into the minus 2x into the power of minus 2x into c1 plus c2x. That is called complementary function. Next, to find particular integral. To find the particular integral, p is equal to, so p is equal to 1 to the power of c of p. So p square plus 4 plus 4 into the power of minus 2x. Now replace, so replace replacing d by d here. A is equal to a minus c, that is equal to minus 2. Okay, so a is equal to minus. Okay, so a is equal to minus 2. This substitute here. So a particular integral is equal to 1 divided by, say f of t, let's be substitute here, minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 4 into the power minus 2x. Okay, so minus 2 square plus The solution is twice equal to square plus 3. There was a step with the power of 2x plus c1 plus c2x plus 3x squared to the power of minus 2x here, right? That's the solution of that equation. So based on this called type 1 here. So let's take out and discuss about the type 2. So type 2 means what? Like the function f of is equal to trigonometric function, that's cosine or cos ax. Okay, so that means type 2 here, which means type 2. In type 2 is trigonometric function. The trigonometric function is sine x or cos ax. So this is a form of here that is called type 2 here. So first of all, so there's a first way to find procedure of the type 2 find the particular. The complementary function same procedure all type. So only option we can change only the particular interval. Only the opposite type that is equal to trigonometric or algebraic or exponential function. What are the functions we pick up? We have to find it. What are the simple find the particular interval. So that is called trigonometric function. So we rule out the particular interval. So to find the particular interval, dx equal to sin ax or cos ax. Now we see that here, right? Therefore, how to find the particular interval means we can replace it. So replace first type 1 express replace d by replace d by d square replace by minus a square. So only d is not there, only d square replace by minus a. So minus a is whole square, that's not there. Minus a square. That's the type. So here one suppose we are substituting the denominator 0 is so multiply with the numerator, differentiate with respect to denominator. We take suppose f of t not equal to 0 means 0. So see here, so f of t equal to 0 means so a is equal to x sin ax or cos ax divided by rectangle. Okay, so f of t not equal to 0 means we have to use it right here. So same procedure, only you can change equate t square by minus a square. So what we want to say only the particular so for example, first solve t square plus 5 plus 6 into y is equal to sin 2x. Okay, so equal to sin 2x here. So to find the complement function, first step 1 to find the complement function, next the particular interval. So first complement function is t square plus 5d plus 6 into y is equal to. Okay, so next auxiliary equation is equal to m square plus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. So to find the root of the equations, so multiply 6 and what are the numbers? 3 and 6. So add 5 multiply 6 here. That means so m square plus means m plus 3 into m plus 6 is equal to m is equal to minus 3 power minus. The roots of this thing are equal. The roots of this thing. Okay. The roots of that is m1 not equal to m2. That is complement function y is equal to c1. Complement is c is equal to e to the power of m1x means minus 3x c1 plus c2 e to the power of minus 1x. This means complementary function. Let's find the particular interval. So let's find the particular interval. So to find particular interval, step 2. So step 2 to find the particular minus whole square. Okay. So subject particular and a is equal to 1 divided by 1 b square is minus 2. So minus 2 square plus 5b plus 6 into sin 2x. Okay. So that means so 1 divided by minus 4 plus 6 plus 5b into sin 2x. So simplify here. So 5 plus V is equal to 1 divided by 5b plus 2 into sin 2x. So how to solve it that is how to find so only the denominator is not difference of the numerator. So we have to only remember the difference. How to change it means how to change the conjugate power of that number. That is called 1 divided 5b plus 2. So conjugate power is equal to 5b minus 2. So multiply by 5b minus 2 into sin 2x. So multiply here so 5b minus 2 into sin 2x divided. So 5 so that means 8 plus b into 8 minus 0. So form that is called a square minus b square. So form of a. That means 5b whole square minus 2 square. So that is equal to so 5b so multiply here 5b into sin 2x minus 2 sin 2x divided. So 5 is minus what? 25 b square minus 2. So how d is what? The is difference operator. So the d of sin 2x. So differentiation of sin 2x is sin differentiation cos 2x into x of here into cos 2x. So substitute here that is equal to so in 5 here 5 into 2 so 10 cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x divided. So 25 into 3 square divided by minus 2 square so minus 4. Okay. So that is equal to 10 cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x divided 25 into 4. So 25 into 4 minus 100. So minus 4. So that is equal to minus 1 by 104 into 10 cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x. We can also common to is common take it outside. So minus 2 divided by 2 divided by 104. That means 1 minus 1 divided by 5 1 minus 1 by 52 into 5 cos 2x minus sin 2x. So that is what the particular value of. So let's complete solution is the complete solution is the solution is so y is equal